Sri Maharaja Sanajaobana Shamba.
Thank you, sir. Sir, due to present law and order situation in Manipur, it will not be conducive to make any alteration in the existing electoral constituencies of Manipur. Sir, the abnormal and illogical increase of villages in Kangpokpi, Tenupal, Sandel, Churachandpur and Faizol district since 1969 to 2024 is since 731 to 1,624, an abnormal jump of 893 villages, that is 122% in about 50 years. Sir, in contrast, the Naga-dominated areas, the increase is a mere 49 from 527 to 576 villages, only 9% increase. Sir, the figure speaks an eloquent volume of nefarious activities carried out by a particular community so as to capture the political gain in Manipur. The illegal immigrants are trying to penetrate Indian administration. They are also playing electoral politics through illegal infiltration by taking the advantage of porous Indo-Myanmar international border. So, my humble submission to the Government of India is that before proceeding further for any kind of alteration like delimitation process in the existing electoral constituencies, it is mandatory to detect the illegal immigrant first by implementing NRC with base year 1951 and deport them to their respective countries. This will be the only logical solution. Otherwise, the state of Manipur will have a huge demographic imbalance and the indigenous people will suffer a lot in their own homeland and their questions of future existence will be uncertain and gloomy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.